Hello everyone! Today, we are going to show you how to clone your full server using xCloud and migrate to another server in just a few simple steps. Let's go! First, go to the Server tab from the xCloud dashboard and choose the source server you want to clone. Click on the three-dot icon to access the menu. From there, select the Clone Server button to initiate the cloning process. Next, choose your destination server from the available options. Once selected, hit the Next button to continue. Now, select the websites you want to migrate. xCloud will retrieve every website that is accessible from your source server, letting you select one, a few, or all of them. Choose your preferred websites and click Next. If you want to make the newly cloned site live, then proceed with the live site option. On the other hand, choose Demo Site and go to Next. Carefully review all migration details. Are you ready? Then hit Start to begin the clone and migration process to the destination server. Once the process is complete, you'll see the status view site on your screen to visit the site. Again, go to Server tab and choose your destination server to check the newly cloned sites. And that's it. Cloning a full server with xCloud is seamless and easy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Happy hosting!